Today in our chapter ray optics and optical instrument, now to see one numerical. The numerical is based on Lensmaker formula. The Lensmaker formula is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. Using this formula to solve this numerical, the numerical is like this way, just you can see here. Find the position of the image formed by the lens combination given in figure. You can see in figure, this is a 3 lens. Lens 1 have focal length 10 centimeter, lens 2 is having focal length minus 10 centimeter, and third lens, that is 30 centimeter. Distance between first and second lens is 5 centimeter. The distance between second and third lens is 10 centimeter, and object is kept at 30 centimeter. Now for first lens, 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u, v1 f1. Therefore 1 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon v1 minus of, now object is 30 centimeter, so you can write here u is equal to minus 30 centimeter. So you can write minus of minus 30. Therefore implies that 1 upon v1 is equal to 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 30. Taking LCM, so we can get here that is 20 divided by 300. Therefore v1 is equal to 300 divided by 20 is equal to 15 centimeter. Now of image is formed, image is formed 15 centimeter from first lens on right hand side. Therefore this image distance 15 centimeter minus 5 centimeter is the object for second lens. Therefore u2 is equal to, that is 10 centimeter. Therefore for second lens, one upon v2 minus 1 upon u2 is equal to 1 upon f2. Therefore 1 upon v2 minus u2 is given, that is a 10 centimeter, and f2 is also given, that is minus 10 centimeter. Now you can write here 1 upon v is equal to minus 1 upon 10 plus this will be this side, so plus 1 upon 10 cancel is equal to 0. Therefore v2 is equal to 1 upon 0 is equal to infinity. Now the image of second, now the image of second lens is the object for first lens. The image of the second lens is the object of third lens. Therefore 1 upon V3 minus 1 upon U3 is equal to 1 upon F3. 1 upon V3 minus 1 upon U3 is that is object for the, we know that here V2 is equal to U3 is equal to infinity. So you can write here 1 upon infinity is equal to 1 upon F is here, F3 is 30. Therefore 1 upon V3 is equal to 1 upon 30. Therefore V3 is equal to 30 centimeter. So image of the third lens, the image of third lens formed right side at distance 30 centimeter. Or we also know that here, when U3 is equal to infinity, then V is equal to F. Therefore here B is equal to 30 centimeter. So this should understand this numerical. In this numerical there are combination of three lengths. First length having focal length 10 cm, second length has minus 10 cm, third is 30 cm. Object is kept at 30 cm from the first length. Now we to get the image of the formed by the first length when the object is kept 30 cm distance. Using the lens maker formula, we can get 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Keeping the value and simplifying, we to get here V is equal to 15 cm. Now image of the first lens is formed on right hand side at 15 cm and the distance between both the lens is 5 cm. Therefore the object for the second lens is here 15 minus 5 is equal to 10 cm. Now we know that here this for you can take U2 is equal to 10 cm. So again using the lens maker formula 1 upon V2 minus 1 upon U2 is equal to 1 upon F2, and keeping the value and simplifying, we to get here V2 is equal to infinity. Therefore the image is formed at infinity distance, and that will be the object for the third lens. So finally you can say that when the object at infinity, then the image is formed at its focal length. Therefore V is equal to F is equal to 30 centimeter. Or we can use the formula 1 upon V3 minus 1 upon U3 is equal to 1 upon F3. Keeping the value and simplifying, to get here V3 is equal to 30 centimeter. So here the image is formed 30 centimeter on right hand side of the third lens. So this will understand this numerical. Thank you very much.